stylish 好新 front of view. It's called the Apple Park. It is an innovative form of accommodation, combining modern design with environmental protection and mobility. Offer travelers a brand new accommodation experience. Apple Home Stay uses only inner-modern and minimalist design style, stylish appearance, reasonable internal layout. Materials, use, and colors have been carefully selected to ensure a beautiful and comfortable environment. To reduce the impact on the environment, Apple Home Stay was under construction. Eco-friendly materials will be used, unlike traditional face buildings. Mobile Apple Parks can be easily accessed from one place moved to another place. This allows the homestay to adapt to the seasonal demand. Flexible adjustment of adjacent. Apple Parks can be used not only as accommodation space, it can also be based on individual needs, converting to meeting rooms, lounges, or entertainment venues meet the needs of different occasions. Simultaneously, Apple cabin can be customized according to the specific needs of a customer's customized, no matter how big or small, or color, or internal layout, or add-ons. They all have great flexibility. A movable Apple Park like this one are due in low.